If you are looking for a gift idea that's both fun, funny, and useful, I can't wait to tell you about this. So I've got a group of girlfriends. Our ages are 46 to 70, and we get together because our birthdays are all within 4 to 6 weeks of each other, and we exchange presents. So I got this from one of my friends. Happy 29th birthday from your 110-pound friend. Haha. It is a soy wax candle, and smells so good. And it's got, since it's soy, it helps prevent like the carbon that gets on your ceiling. So great. And the scent of this is lavender. So here's what the lid looks like. And so I was just so pleased because it's just a fun gift. It's funny. And it's useful because it smells so good. You could put it in your bedroom and light it and have that lavender smell, because the smell of lavender can kind of help you fall asleep. It works for me anyway. So I'm super thankful, grateful to her. She's a super fun friend, a great friend. And I'm just really glad that she gave this to me. It's so fun. So yeah, that's a great candle, soy candle, love it. Okay, so I am going to put this down in the description, the link, so that you can go grab one and give it to your friend. And hit the like button too while you're down there. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing.